Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. Now let's create this simple part in CATIA. So let me enter into here new part and say OK. Now we are having only here two views. So this we are having here top view, and if we make cut section exactly with reference to this cut section line through this shape, we are able to get this shape. Now, as we can see here, from top we are having one rectangle first, and this base height we are having 25. Let me enter into new sketch on this top plane. To make proper position, I'll use swap reverse vertical. Let's say OK. We are having one center point rectangle like this. By using constraint, dimension for this rectangle we are having length of 135 with width of 75. Let me give this length of 135 with width of 75. Then exit workbench. With that shape, we are having here pad. As we can see, pad base length we are having only 25. So let me give here length of only 25 lines. Then next to that, again still extra material added here exactly at center. If you see on top view, again one more rectangle we are having here with dimension length of 75, and for this width we are having here 51. So again I will go for sketch on this top plane. We'll make proper position. From there we need one more center point rectangle like this. Then by using constraint, dimension for this we are having length of 75. Then width we are having here 51. Again exit workbench. Again we will make this pad. As we can see, still this pad we are having extra 25. Just will maintain 25. Let's say okay. Then next we are going to create this extra material here. As we can see, exactly at center with width of 10 mm, we need to add material with inclination. So we need exactly at center, we need to go for sketch exactly on this front plane. Why? Because whatever the sketch we are able to draw now, it will come exactly at center. Let me make it here normal. So just we need one inclined line like this. By using constraint, relation between this to this we need here coincidence. Then this end point to this end point we need here coincidence. Then same line we need on opposite direction. We'll make it here mirror with reference to this. Then exit workbench. By using this opened profile, we need to add material with a thickness of 10 mm. So in that conditions, we can go here with stiffener option. Just I'll click on stiffener, and this thickness we need here 10 mm like this. So from side, let me apply this. Just if I go for preview, we need from side, we need a reverse direction. Then just if I go for preview here, so just I'll double click, I will delete this. Exit workbench, we'll make the stiffener for this with a thickness of 10 mm. Then same stiffener we need on opposite direction. Just I select stiffener, I will make mirror with reference to this. So before I have tried to draw mirror in sketch itself, but it's not taking. So just we'll create one profile, we'll make it stiffener. Entire stiffener we'll make mirror here. Then now we can see all addition of material done. Then we'll go for removal of material. So here, wherever we are able to see this hatching, there cut section of material is present. It means material is present here. And wherever we are able to see this white space, there removal of material is there. Like material is removed. So here with the depth of 35, with the length of 50, and with width of 24, with this rectangle shape, we need to remove material with 35. Let me go for sketch on this top plane. Just I will create one center point rectangle here. By using constraint, this width we are having here 24. This length we are having here 50. Then exit workbench. We need to remove material. So we'll go for pocket. Here pocket depth we are having 35. Let me give here depth of 35. Then again still shapes are there here. Let me go for sketch on this space. From there we need to remove material. Let me create one rectangle like this. By using constraint, dimension for this rectangle we are having length of 18, width of 10, length of 18 with width of 10. Then to make proper position from this end to this center point we are having 12 mm. Exactly from this end to this we are having here width of for center point. Let me zoom in and let me select that center point. For this we are having here width of 12. Then from this edge to this center point we are having here with length of 16. Then exit workbench. This will make pocket up to next. Let's say okay. Then by using this original pocket, we need to create extra duplicate of 3 pockets in linear direction. Directly we can go here with rectangular pattern. First direction we want this side, total 2, and we need to calculate the distance between this to this. As we know already we are having here 51. Let me give dimension here 51. Then along with these two, same two we need this side also. We'll go for second direction. Total we need 2. Distance between this pocket to this pocket we are having here, as we can see, this is 16 for position and this is 16 for position. Total length from starting to ending we are having 135. In this 135 you need to make minus of 16 plus 16. So let me give dimension here 135 minus 16 plus 16, 32 with reference to this edge. If I go for preview and let's say okay. So properly that shape we will get here. So like this, in a simple way we are able to create this particular part. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box.